we're going to figure out the mean, median, mode from a frequency data table. First thing we've got to do is multiply the two columns together. So 40 times 2 is 80. That's 40, the data's 40, and it takes place 2 times. So 41 takes place 4 times, so we multiply to get the value. So that's 164. 42 times 2 would be 84. 43 times 3 is 129. And 44 times 9, 9 times 40 is 360 plus 36, 396. Let's make sure that's right, 9 over 3. Okay, so we're going to total this up, which will give us 853. So this total right here is 853. And then we need this total, 9, 10, 11, 20. So our total is 853, and we have 20 instances, or 20 values. So to figure out the mean, we're going to take the total 853, and we're going to divide by 20. Use your calculator, and you will get 42.65. And now the directions, which I cut off, say to round to 1 decimal place. So that would be right here. This is 5 or higher, so that's going to go to 42.7. So that is the mean, 42.7. Now, the mode is the easiest because you look, there is 9 44s. So the mode is going to be 44 because there's 9 of them. Now, the median, there's 20 numbers. So take 20, divide by 2. It's an even number, so that means you're going to have 2 of them, 2 to average. If it were odd, you would divide and round up, and that would be your middle number. So this is 10. So the 10th number and the 11th number are what you're going to average. Now, if you look here, over here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 41 would be the 6th number. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So 10 and 11 right here, this is the 43. So if you average 43 and 43, you get 43. So 43 is your median. So you count the number in the frequency and you go to that. However total many in your frequency, divide by 2. If it's an even number, count that number and the next one. And then go to your frequency chart and count 1, 2, 3, 4 till you get to the 10th and the 11th, and those are the numbers. Now, if 10th had been on 42 and 11 had been on 43, then you would average those two together. They were both on 43, so we didn't have to do that.